When you're doing a road trip on the east coast of Australia, not every single day is sunny. Occasionally it's going to rain. And we were thinking, when you're inside the van playing board games, drinking coffee, wouldn't it be nice to have some cake? Is there a way that you can make cake in the campervan without an oven? The answer is yes. And it's delicious.
Over the course of 5 weeks renting a campervan with Traveller's Autobarn, me and my mates realised that with all the storage we had, the fridge and the awesome kitchen, we could get pretty creative with our food. This is how you can make banana bread in your campervan. To get started, you will need some butter, self-raising flour, 2 eggs, milk, brown sugar, cinnamon, and of course 2 bananas. As an extra treat, you may also want to get some whipped cream. First up, add 100 grams of butter or margarine to your plastic Tupperware. Heat that in the microwave for 30 seconds. Once melted, begin cutting one of your bananas into the tub. Then mash these together. You're now ready to add the rest of your ingredients. Start by adding 100 grams of self-raising flour and 100 grams of brown sugar. 100 grams is equivalent to about 10 level tablespoons. Then pour in 30 milliliters of milk, or 3 tablespoons, before adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now begin to mix everything together with your spoon. Once it's started to come together, add in your 2 eggs and continue to mix until everything has combined. Using your other banana, add more slices into the mix. You're now ready to bake. Simply place your tub in the microwave for 8 minutes and wait. You now have delicious banana cake to help get you through those rainy days. When it's done, slice and serve it up with some whipped cream.